Short grooves. Okay, the jazz ride is triplet based, so we're going to change the way we count. Instead of counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, we're going to count 1 and a, 2 and a, 3 and a, 4 and a. You play the ride on 1, 2, 3, and 4, and on the of 2 and the of 4. See if you can hear it. 1 and a, 2 and a, 3 and a, 4 and a, 1 and a, 2 and a, 3 and a, 4 and a, 1 and a, 2 and a, 3 and a, 4 and a, 1 and a, 2 and a, 3 and a, 4 and a, 1. So playing the jazz ride seems simple enough, but it's pretty tough to do well. I'd recommend checking out the free stroke section of my Better Hands course and the finger control section, and that should get you well on your way to playing this a lot smoother. Okay, we're going to add the hi-hat on 2 and 4. 1 and a, 2 and a, 3 and a, 4 and a, 1 and a, 2 and a, 3 and a, 4 and a, 1. Play a nice tight chick sound with the hi-hat.